Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Val. I'm Val, and today's video is Mindful Souls unboxing for May 2023. I am a month late. I did have some issues with shipping, mainly because we did move to a new apartment, and for May, it was too late for me to change my shipping address by the time I moved, and I didn't know my address until like maybe a few days before we moved to the new apartment. So now I've got my May box. Here's my May box, and I had to like contact them, email them, and be like, hey, I moved, I wasn't able to change my address on time, I have my address now. And then also June box, I had to go to the post office because I was tracking it, otherwise I wouldn't have been able, I would have had the same issue for my June box. I kept tracking it, and I was able to go to the post office close to where I used to live, which isn't too far from where I live now, and they were able to hand it to me and to mark it as delivered as I picked it up over there. But now I've got both my May and my June box, and I've updated my address on the Mindful Souls site, so I shouldn't have that issue anymore. Otherwise I would be very sad, and because I do love receiving my boxes. So let's go ahead and start this Mindful Souls unboxing. So as you know, when we open it, oh, it's the wrong way. But as you know, when we open it, it shows, and just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. So let's go ahead and go through everything that we've got. We have our information card, and it smells good. There's an incense in there. Okay, so this is the information card for May. Excited to open this. We always get a sticker, and I love this sticker. It's like a little bear, and it just says, "Feel the world." And then we always get a little affirmation. So I need this. So it's the affirmation for career, and it says, wonderful new opportunities are opening up for me to use my unique creative skills and abilities. This is perfect because I am currently in between jobs right now, so I'm been on the job hunt, applying for jobs, trying to schedule interviews and stuff. So I need this because I am trying to find a new opportunity, and this is perfect. I've been trying to manifest some of the jobs that I want to work at right now, and this is perfect. So that's the affirmation for this month. Alright, next up. I think this might be a problem. Let me watch through the video just to make sure you're not seeing anything. Okay everyone, so I changed, and I literally thought I was recording for a straight 5 minutes. Probably a little bit more. But I wasn't. My camera, like, the lens went back in, and I was like, okay, well, I guess I wasn't recording. Okay, so, yes, I changed. I do feel more comfortable in this. The other dress I was wearing, so beautiful. However, I do need something to wear under it if I do want to wear that dress again in another video. But I did want to mention, I don't know if you've noticed anything behind me. I got curtains. I put a Calyx shelf up right there. So I did want to mention that briefly. So I did put our curtains up. Well, what the hell with my boyfriend? We put our curtains up, and I think it makes our room feel more comfortable and just homey. And then with the Calyx storage, it was actually where you're at. So my camera, which is where I've been recording, was always on top of my Calyx storage whenever I would record, and I had some of my crystals and stuff displayed on top. However, I did move that so I could move my desk in here because my desk was in our second bedroom. But eventually that room's going to be turning into a guest bedroom, and I wanted to move my desk in here because if we have guests and my desk was in there, then I wouldn't really be able to utilize my desk, and it would just, anyways, you get the gist. I think you get the gist. So I moved my desk in here, so you're on top of my desk now, and I moved my Calyx storage over there, my Calyx shelves over there, and I just have my snow globes displayed, some crystals displayed, and I have plans with that dresser to make it cute and have a nice background for all of you. So yeah, So now back onto our video. Well, I thought I was recording. I pulled out these incense. So they're the Golika Nag Champa Incense 16-gram incense, and I do have an incense holder. And this was a little store that I was trying to tell you guys, but you know, my camera turned off and I thought I was recording. Anyway, so a few, maybe like 2 boxes ago, Mindful Souls sent a little lotus flower incense holder with like a little topper so the incense would stand like upright. However, when we moved, I lost that topper, the little topper piece. And I know it's somewhere in this apartment, in a box, in a container, somewhere. I just haven't found it. However, I haven't been able to use that incense holder like how I want to because I don't have that little piece. But right now, I don't know if you can see how high you can see, but if you can see up here where my finger is pointing, the sage is currently resting on top of the incense, the little lotus flower. So yeah, anyways, so we were opening, well, I thought you saw me, but we were opening this this thing. This is the first thing that I opened, and it's like a pink quartz, and it has, okay, let's see if I can name some of these. So I think the purple one's an amethyst. This one, this blue one where my thumb is, I think is lapis lazuli, and then this one's, I think it's tiger's eye, and then this one, emerald. I'm trying to like study more on my crystals and stuff, so let's go ahead and put it to the side and we'll go ahead and figure out what it is together. But it is super pretty. I love it. So pretty, whatever this is. But let's go ahead and open the next item. So this one, it just feels like a crystal. I think it's just a crystal by itself, or a stone by itself, or a rock by itself. Oh, it's a necklace. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, so this is a necklace. I want to put it on after we figure it out, but this is a necklace and it's wrapped in gold. I think it's cerulean, but I could be wrong. Like I said, I'm still trying to get to know my crystals, but this is so gosh darn pretty. That is so beautiful, and the wrapping, like I said, like the gold wrapping that they put over it, I love it. Okay, next item. Next item. So this one feels like a plate. I think I think it's gonna be a slab, just like a crystal or stone gem slab. Like, yes. Oh, it's a comb. It's a comb. It's a comb for my hair. Comb my hair with a crystal. This is beautiful. This, I don't know what this is, but it is green. So let's go ahead and open the next one. Okay, this one's a little palm stone. I can tell just by the shape, and it's smooth, so it's definitely a little palm stone. I think this is amethyst. Oops, I moved you. Okay, oops. Okay. Yeah, this is like a little palm stone. I'm pretty sure it's just amethyst, but it's so pretty and shiny, and like it's really like clear on the inside. That's really pretty. I love it. Okay, next and last product before we go. Oh, it's a bracelet. It's a bracelet. I love getting my bracelets, and I was supposed to wear a bracelet for this video, but I kind of forgot to put it on. But let's go ahead and open this. Ooh, I love it. I think it's obsidian. I think it's sparkly, glittery obsidian, but it just sparkles, and I love it. And I'll put it on. Okay, so now let's go ahead and read through the information card. And for this one, I'm actually gonna get closer. And you might not even really see my face. You might just see right here. But that's okay, because we're just gonna go through here. So, or, I think I have a better idea. Welcome to my wall. And this is, I think, how we might do this from now on. So I think we'll show you with my face, everything. Like, you know, we'll have my face when I am unboxing. And then we will use my wall to go through the information card. So the first item that we see, and you can read along with me because I've got it like that. So the first thing that we see is the Tumbled Amethyst stone. So it was amethyst, and it says, Amethyst is a natural stress reliever that brings protection and spiritual growth. It rids your home and body of negative energy while attracting positive energy. Amethyst stone holds the exact kind of relaxing energy that we could all use after a long day. Allow its energy of contentment to soothe away the day-to-day stresses that keep you up at night. So that's the amethyst stone. And now, I don't know if you'll be able to read this one along with me. Actually, no, you can't. Perfect. Okay. So the next thing is the rose quartz pendulum. And I'll go ahead and show you that right now. Let's go ahead and read it. It says, a pendulum with the calming properties of a rose quartz crystal. To start using a pendulum, you hold the small end in your hand, remaining very still, and ask a yes or no question. If the pendulum moves in a circle, the answer is yes. And if it moves from side to side, then the answer is no. This is a very basic explanation, but let your intuition guide you. When asking questions, try holding the pendulum over your favorite stone or crystal for clearer answers. So the next thing is actually, okay, so this bracelet is actually the blue Goldstone bracelet. It kind of looks more, oh, I see the blues. Oh, but see how pretty that is? Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. That's so freaking pretty. Trust me, I do want to say bad words right now, but I'm trying to not say bad words because I have family that watches this. But that's so pretty. Look at the blue sparkle. Okay, so let's read about this. Okay, so the blue Goldstone bracelet, it says, blue Goldstone combines mysterious character and origins with a very practical health benefit. The copper particles suspended in the stone are thought to provide warming comfort to arthritic conditions and ease pain. Copper is known for bringing relief to arthritic pain by reducing inflammation while increasing mobility and flexibility. The color of this stone makes it an excellent tool for restoring and balancing the third eye, also called brow chakra, promoting intuition and psychic abilities. Goldstone is also said to be the stone of wealth, as it promotes vitality and ambition. So this one is the blue Goldstone bracelet, and it's so pretty, everyone. I love it. Okay, next. Okay, the raw citrine necklace. So it's not cerulean when I said it's citrine, but that's this one. This is such a beautiful necklace. I love it. Anyways, so the raw citrine necklace. Let's go ahead and read about her. Powered by the sun, citrine is a stone of light and happiness. Its high vibes bring a clearer mind and more positive outlook on life. Transform your raw intentions into polished realities with the manifestation power of raw natural citrine. Citrine casts beams of joy through your space and spirit. Having a piece of raw citrine in your home creates an ambience of happiness and elevates the vibrations of your home. If you feel like your home environment is a little gloomy, let the energy of this sunny stone brighten it up. And that is this one. And I think I might have to wear it to manifest a job into my life, because I would like a job within the next 2 weeks, maybe even a month. 2 weeks to a month, I would like a job. Okay, next product is the Jade hair comb. Okay, so yes, I know what Jade is. I know, I just couldn't think of it, but I remember now. So Jade is a light green. So it says, used for centuries to stimulate blood circulation, promoting new hair growth. This holistic beauty treatment will leave you feeling relaxed. Combing massages all of the acupoints of the head, which regulates excitement and inhibition in the cerebral cortex. So regulating your body's meridians can be good for your overall health and can be achieved by this combing technique. So I'm excited to use this Jade hair comb on my hair. I think my scalp could really use it. And it's so pretty. I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, last thing is the Nag Champa Incense. So the last thing is this, the Golika Nag Champa Incense. It says, Nag Champa, enjoyed by millions, is the most popular Indian incense in the world. Nag Champa is a hand-rolled blend of flowers, spices, and resins. The natural ingredients, herbs, resins, and masala are blended to perfection to create a soothing aroma. This aromatic incense with its sweet yet earthy fragrance will enhance any mood or environment. And there you have it, folks. That is the end of my May 2023 Mindful Souls unboxing. So I hope you all have a wonderful Mindful Monday, because I know Mondays can be stressful. Even not working right now and like having a few months off of work, Mondays are stressful. They're always going to be stressful. I am just doing school, so I'm at least, I do know Mondays are stressful. It's the start of a new week, start of having to study for school and get schoolwork done before the weekend ends. So yes, I know Mondays are stressful, and I feel it. I feel it with you. Let me take your Monday pain away, because I'm not really suffering Mondays right now, but I will take your Monday pain away. So bring your Monday energies to me, and I'll take it. I'll take it for you. Anyways, that is the end of Mindful Monday. I hope you all had a wonderful Monday, because I do know that my videos do go up at the end of the evening. And then if you're all over the world, anywhere else, I hope you enjoyed this video as well. It might not even be Monday for you. Who knows? It might already be Tuesday. So hope you had a wonderful Monday, and hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. I love recording these Mindful Souls videos for you guys. I love receiving Mindful Soul boxes. It's one of my favorite subscription boxes that I've subscribed to thus far. I've only subscribed to 3, but this is one of my favorite ones. It keeps me grounded and keeps me mindful and just stay happy. Anyways, that's the end of this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more videos. I could use more subscribers, and it's free. Comment down below what you've enjoyed with my Mindful Soul videos, and if you're subscribed to any mindful boxes, if you like crystals or meditation or anything mindful, what do you do to stay mindful? That's what I want to know. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone.